How to install the lock. Unpack the lock. Here are user manual, installation drawing, screws, striking plate, lock body, lock panel. Connect lock panel and lock body. Line up with wire of both sides. Add color. Check if the lock body works well or not. Measure and mark the center line of the drawer door. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the front door. Mark the lock body position with a drill 4.5 mm. Drill holes on the marks. Center hole at 8 mm, both sides hole at 4.5 mm. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the back door. Marks body position with drill at 4.5 mm. Install the panel screw. Connecting wire goes through the center hole. Fasten the panel screws. Connect lock panel with lock body. Line up with the wire of both sides. Add color. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Tidy up the wire to protect the wire from damage. Install lock body with screws. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Mark the center line of the drawer top board. Put double side tape on the striking plate. Measure the position of the striking plate, normally 2 mm more than the drawer door thickness. Install the striking plate on the drawer with screws. Install the drawer, push the drawer close. Open it with a finger. Adjust the position of striking plate, but leave 2 mm for unlocking. The lock is installed successfully.